Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie like Jollibee full guide. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and roll out chilled pie dough on a lightly floured surface, keeping edges thick. Toss sliced apples with sugar, cinnamon, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Cook briefly to concentrate flavor. Fill crust, brush edges with egg wash, add top crust, seal vents, and bake until golden and bubbling. Warm, crisp, and slightly caramelized is the goal for the filling. Use tart apples like Granny Smith, peel and dice them small for even cooking. Sauté apples with butter, brown sugar, cinnamon, and a splash of water until juices thicken and pieces are tender. Cool before filling. For Jollibee style, lightly dust the exterior with flour before sealing to help hold oil during shallow frying for a crisp golden shell. Quick recommendation: if you like clean kitchens after frying, subscribe and like if this guide helps you. I recommend the Robot Face Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control to tackle crumbs and spilled flour with minimal fuss. It pairs well with busy baking sessions and saves cleanup time. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoyed this tip, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. The dough must be cold and slightly elastic. Avoid overworking it to keep pockets of steam. Roll to about 3.5 inches for each pocket, fold and crimp edges firmly. Brush with a thin egg wash to seal and create sheen. For authentic crunch, deep fry at 350 degrees F until evenly golden, about 2 to 3 minutes per side, then drain on paper towels to remove excess oil before serving warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.